the 17th. Here we are at Casa Wales. I've been working on the beast a little bit and doing body work and little painting here and there, picking up bits and pieces that we needed. Anyhow, this is the engine, the 25 Oakland engine that we're going to be putting in the 1917 Rio. As the Rio engine only had one complete or good part on the entire darn engine, and that was one valve. And I really put a 6 in there anyhow, so we found this very unique engine that's been sitting for in excess of 30 years. I have the chassis too, if you know someone that needs a beautiful chassis with wheels, steering, and so forth. Also, we were able to get a 1913 Oakland radiator, which is quite a nice piece. And I was able to completely restore it. It was all bent in and that, so we had a lot of straightening and everything to do, and I've got it pretty well finished now. And I just wanted to show you what's going on. I wish Andreas has a hell of a cold. Has for a couple of weeks. He'll be back soon, and everything is waiting so he can get done. Let me show you the paws on the beast. Compliments of Willie West. Tremendous. Also did the radiator shell for me. You know, there's some things you can do, and there's someone that's a hell of a lot better than you, and that's Willie West. He's unbelievable, and he's done things for me before. The older friend, I've had him for, God, over 50 years here in California. But anyhow, this is where we're at now. I just wanted to kind of give you a rundown on the beast and the beast lair. So anyway, I hope everybody's well. I can personally say I really don't know anybody that had the coronavirus, and I hope I don't. And just everybody stay well, okay? God bless you. Mind your beans and P's and Q's.